Hey everybody, welcome back to Rusty Wrench Restorations. It's currently about 20 degrees here in Virginia Beach, Virginia, and we got a little snow. We were supposed to get like 6 to 8 inches, and I was really looking forward to getting a video with Bozo doing some snow removal, but I think we probably got about 2, and got a bunch of wind last night, 50-mile-an-hour gusts, and it blew it all around. So there's some areas where there's just not even any snow on the ground, and then couple where you have some 6 or 8 inch drifts. So I think I'm still going to start it up, take it out, play around a little bit. Ain't much I can do. It's not going to be an exciting video, I assure you. Let's see how she starts in the cold and see what we can get into. Like I said, it's about 20 degrees. It's been cold, and I haven't started this thing in a few days. It's cold-blooded by nature anyway, so kind of curious to see how it's going to start in the cold. These old Kubotas, oh, I didn't want to go that far. The glow plug on these isn't your typical glow plug. It's more just like a little electric heating coil. And what's kind of funny about it is when you turn the key counterclockwise to turn the glow plugs on, it also energizes a little glow plug control. It's a coil basically on the dash here, so you got to kind of look inside the little hole, and obviously it's dark in there, and you'll see the coil start to turn red as it heats up from being energized, and that's kind of your indication that the glow plugs are hot as well. So depending on the temperature, let's see what it says here. Glow plug preheat above 32, 20 to 30 seconds. Well, it's 20, so we're definitely below. That says 20 to 60 seconds. So I don't know. That's a long time, but I'd say it's probably around there. Let's see how she does. Alright, let her warm up. Well, I don't know about you, but I think the old girl did pretty good for being a little diesel tractor that's almost 50 years old, to start that easy in the 20-degree temperatures and come out and push some snow around. Now, granted, it wasn't very much at all. Like I said, I think we were supposed to get like 6 to 8 inches, and I was looking forward to that. But for what it is and for what it's able to do, I thought it did pretty good. No issues with the four-wheel drive. Everything shifted. Hydraulics all worked good. Now, at the beginning, I'm sure you can tell they were moving really slow and really cold, but it's to be expected. It's outside here and in the cold, and until it warms up, you're gonna have that. So, but I do need to go through and change the filter, the fluids, suction strainer, clean that out. But overall, yeah, I think Bozo did good in its first snowcapade. Got Sweaty Betty back here, all nestled in, nice and warm. I was gonna take her out if we had a lot of snow, just to drive around, but unfortunately that didn't happen. So anyway, that's it for this week's video. Nothing crazy, nothing exciting, just me getting out, wanting to play around with a toy. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It's absolutely free, and we'll catch you in the next one.